So, would you like to get started with Google Meet? I'm going to be showing you the very easy way how to get started for beginners. So, how to start a meeting instantly. To start your own meeting, you want to open your browser and head over to meet.google.com when you have already signed into Gmail account. If you don't, what you can do is to open a new tab. Into the upper right corner, here's the actual Gmail account. Inside the Gmail account or inside the actual tab, you might be seeing this actual element that says Google Applications, so you can focus into the element that says Meet. If you don't find this, you can go for meet.google.com. Inside here, I'm going to close this element. You're going to be seeing something like this. Now, to make this process really easily, for example, is to go for a new meeting. You can create a meeting for later and instant messaging, or schedule this into the Google Calendar. I'm going to go for creating a meeting for later, and you can get an actual link which says send this to people if you want to meet, to be sure to save this into use later too. So that means when they receive this specific meeting, you can enter this specific code and hit into the element that says join. When you get the element that says join, you're going to be now getting inside the actual element, which is my actual first meeting. The second option that I can give you, I'm going to go once again for meet.google.com. And here, when I click directly into my actual new meeting, it will be now asking me if I wanted to generate a new one, scheduling, start an actual meeting, or just go straight away directly into the creating an actual meeting for later. So before you are completely live, your browser will ask for permissions, of course, to getting started directly into Google Meet. So when you grant the access between your camera, your microphone, make sure to click into allow so you can get started directly into the Google meeting. Now, once you are inside the actual call, all of your main controls sit cleanly in a row at the very bottom of your actual screen. So the microphone and the camera, for example, will be appearing down directly inside here when you click directly into the toggle your audio and the video on or off. So when you click directly inside here, you make sure that you can grant the access between all of those. So inside my actual meeting, I didn't grant the access, of course, to the microphone or the camera because I'm actually making this video for you guys. But here, for example, clicking into this will toggle your audio and the video are on or off. Now, if you're into a loud room, keep yourself muted and you can focus directly into this element that says settings, so you can be changing this element later. Into my settings, I can focus into the video so I can set the actual resolution, check out the general element, and you can enable the captions if you wanted to and the actual reactions. Now, how to share your screen. If you needed to show a slide presentation, a document, or a website, look for the actual element that says present. You here for the element that says show the screen, and it will be asking you if you want to, let's say for example, focus for a specific window, the entire screen, or in a specific Chrome tab that you currently have. And if you wanted to, you can also share all the audio options into whatever you're actually listening to. Hit into the element that says share when you click inside there, and you will be adding, for example, the element. Now, if you wanted to join someone else's call, usually if they send you an email invitation, you can just enter the actual short T letter code. So to leave the actual call out, just hit into the element that says here leave the call, and your call will be leaved right away. If you wanted to join a specific meeting, usually what's going to happen is going to be giving you a specific link. It's going to be appearing something like this, the OSN blah 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 blah. This specific code will be now inside the actual element into my Google Meet. So what I wanted to do is to go directly once again into Google Meet, and here what you wanted to do is to make sure that you enter the code or the link that they sent to you in order to get started. Or if they sent you in a specific link, you paste it directly inside here and going to be straight directly into the actual meeting. And that's it, guys. A very easy solution of how you can actually get started and usually use Google Meet like an actual absolute pro. If this step break you down, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. Any questions about advanced features like the breakout rooms, recording your calls, let me know into the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.